Hello, I'm Jenny, virtual presenter of Canal Innova Plus. Innova Plus News, Intellectual Property and INPI is on the air, bringing posts available on the internet between October 5th and 6th, 2023. But, before you start, be sure to subscribe to our channel, here on YouTube. It's fast and free. Oh, you're already subscribed, so, thank you so much for your support. Take advantage and press the notification bell to stay up to date with the news of the channel, and also like and share the videos you like on your social networks. Help us reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Let's get to today's posts. First block, Intellectual Property. News number 1, DAS Arts, October 5, 2023, will legal process finally reveal Banksy's identity? Full Color Black, a British greeting card company, has filed a lawsuit against artist Robin Gunningham in the Queen's Bench Division of the High Court for defamation. The lawsuit stems from an Instagram post Gunningham made in November 2022, which was later deleted. Full Color Black claims that the post contained defamological words and was interpreted as referring to the artist. The EU IPO ruled in Banksy's favor in a trademark dispute with Full Color Black. The EU IPO invalidated the mark in 2018 because it was not applied for in Gunningham's name. Full Color Black is currently seeking at least £1,357,086, $1.6 million, in damages and an injunction to prevent further defamation claims. News number 2, Revista Pesquisa FAPESP, October 6, 2023, Brazil advances 5 positions in Global Innovation Ranking. Brazil ranks 49th in the Global Innovation Index, GII, according to the Organization of the World's Most Innovative Countries, WIPO. The ranking, released by the United Nations, UN, reveals that Brazil is the most innovative economy in Latin America and the Caribbean, surpassing Chile. Brazil ranks 6th out of 33 countries with upper middle income, followed by China. The ranking is based on indicators such as national market scale, trademarks, online government services, and the value of its 16 unicorns. Brazil's advancement in the GII ranking is attributed to its focus on innovation and wealth generation. News number 3, Federal University of Piauí, October 6, 2023, Luso-Brazilian Workshop on Applied Technologies takes place in October at UFPI. The Luso-Brazilian Applied Technologies Workshop will bring together researchers from Brazil and Portugal to discuss sustainable technologies for the state of Piauí. The event will take place on October 25th and 26th, 2023, at the Technology Center, CT, of the Federal University of Piauí, UFPI, in Teresina. The workshop will feature presentations and workshops on topics such as digital connectivity, hydrogen production, renewable energy, the development of composite materials, technological innovation, and low-carbon agriculture. The event is organized by the Graduate Programs in Development and Environment, PRODEMA, Materials Science and Engineering, PPGCM, and Intellectual Property and Technology Transfer, PROFNET, at UFPI. The event is open to the academic and industrial community, with no restriction on registration. News number 4, INPI, October 5, 2023, Senate approves bill that ratifies Mercosur agreement on GIs. The Federal Senate approved draft Legislative Decree No. 165/2022, which ratifies the Mercosur Agreement on the Protection of Geographical Indications, GIs. The agreement, approved in December 2019 by the Chamber of Deputies, aims to strengthen Mercosur GIs. The agreement commits member states to mutually respect each country's GIs in a resolution approved by the General Market Group, GMC. The main points of the agreement are the possibility of coexistence of 2 or more GIs on a product or service, and that recognized GIs will not be registered as trademarks of similar products or services in member states, except when an application for trademark registration is made. The GI is a sign that indicates the geographical origin of a product or service. News number 5, INPI, October 6, 2023, INPI holds a lecture at an event on innovation in health. Julio Cesar Moreira, president of INPI, presented at the Brazilian Congress of Innovation in Innovation the improvement of the services provided by the Institute during the Brazilian Summit on Innovation in Health. He emphasized the need for an adequate moment to allow for the necessary investments in the provision of excellent services and the expansion of the technical staff to meet the demands of society. Moreira also highlighted the importance of social participation in the revision of the work card, public signatures, and other instruments. The event aimed to discuss trends and challenges in the healthcare industry. News number 6, conjur.com.br, October 6, 2023, forensics deny FIFA and confirm that barrier spray was an invention. A Brazilian football court has ruled that a spray used for marking barricades has all the necessary requirements to be considered an invention. The product, which is patented in 44 countries, is used by football referees to delineate the position of the barricade. The Brazilian inventor, Juanes Borges Gouveia Barroso, was convicted of contradiction by the National Institute of Industrial Property, INPI, and was not presented justifiably for the change of stance. The spray was used in Brazilian competitions, international tournaments, and the 2014 and 2018 World Cups. The company, which the inventor owns, has filed a lawsuit against FIFA, arguing that FIFA violated the company's name and was inert in implementing legal negotiations. The court found that FIFA had adopted contradictory measures, as the spray was used for the transfer of experience. The case has not yet been analyzed by the Supreme Court.